Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my Holi makeup look with all of you, and along with that I'm going to share some makeup tips and some hair care and skincare tips for Holi colors. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you all know, Holi is a traditional daytime function. So sunscreen is a must, and the one I'm using is the Lotus sunscreen. Next I'm using the Stay Quirky primer, and primer is also a must as well as the sunscreen. So next I'm going to color correct my under eyes because I have some bluish and purple undertone, uneven skin tone to my under eyes. For that I'm using the pink color corrector and I'm blending it with a damp beauty blender, and wherever I have the redness in my skin I'm going to use a green color corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution First Base Stick Foundation, and I feel this is one tone deeper to my skin tone, but today I want something very natural, so that's why I'm using this one. So next I'm going to set my face with some translucent powder, and the one I'm using is the Blue Heaven translucent powder, and whatever excess to my face I'm going to dust it with a powder brush.
Invincible.
So for my brows, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and it's a very inexpensive eyebrow pencil, and I feel the quickest way to do your brows is the eyebrow pencil, so that's why I'm using this one. So while filling into my brows, I'm going to share some tips to clean up the Holi colors very easily, and that is you can use some coconut oil or olive oil or something very greasy like that, so that when you wash off your Holi colors it will come out very easily. So moving on to the eyeshadow, today I'll be using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and today I'll be using some of the glitter color and some peach or some brown color like that, and this eye look is very easy to do. So first I'm taking this glitter color to apply into my eyelids, and I'm going to apply it till I'm happy with the intensity. So next I'm taking the brown eyeshadow in a blending brush and blending into my crease line. So for the lower lash line, I'm taking some brown eyeshadow in an angled eye brush and blending it with a blending brush later. I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner, and then for my lower waterline I'm going to use the Wet n Wild nude eye pencil, and then I'm going to finishing off with some coats of mascara. Applying mascara, I'm going to share another tips, and that is for your hair. So if you do have a itchy scalp, you can mix some coconut oil with a few drops of lemon juice, and you can apply it to your scalp so that you can avoid the itchiness of your scalp from the holy colors. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm going to use the In Color Baking Highlighter. Next, to bring back some warmth to the face, I'm using the Moda Cosmetics blusher, and I'll be using it into the hollows of the cheeks, then the jawline, and then the forehead. And also to sharpen my nose, I'm using the same bronzer, the Moda Cosmetics bronzer. So after applying the bronzer and the highlighter, I'm taking the damp beauty blender and blending everything seamlessly.
Invincible.
And for my lips, I'm using the NYB matte lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know below in the comment section if you do like the look, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a happy Holi. Bye guys.